Most of the customers come and ask them, Bodow, what's a barracuda? They know it's redfish, they know it's curry, they know it's kingfish, they know what is a barracuda. I start to explain to them, Bodow, what is a barracuda, what is a barracuda? Today, I'm going to show you what is a barra. Yeah, morning, welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, welcome, morning, Bodow. This is what they call a barracuda. Long beak. Huh?
When was this caught?
This caught yesterday evening. Normally, this is not no net fish, this is a shoot fish. You see fish? The divers just dive and shoot this. So you get spear here, chow. So the spear go through it, and they gaff and bring it up through the head here.
Where are they catching this?
This catching in the deep. They're going out in the ridge and thing and catching this. Divers just go out and catch it all by the barge or by the rigs and stuff. You see the size of teeth you have? We just get seen here for you a little bit so you have an idea what we're dealing with. Yeah, you cooking? You see the only fish that swim backward and forward. See it? Teeth like dog.
No frozen fish.
Nah, you don't do frozen fish. Only fresh fish I does do. Yesterday, diver bringing this yesterday, and I bought this yesterday from yesterday evening. You go start with this one.
What was the first step?
The first step, well, prepare yourself to get fresh. Fresh, nice barracuda, all the time, fresh fish. We don't like to rock frozen fish.
So the fish on the menu is based on what you catch?
Based on what I catch or what I get that day, you know? Most of the time we get redfish, kingfish, salmon, barracuda. But you know how fish price does raise, drop and fluctuate and you know, depends on the size of fish. Some customers come today and say, but do I get a whole fish today? How come I get slices today? How come I get big slice, I get small slice? It depends on the price of the fish we pay for the fish. We work back out to suit by on the boxes to suit. The guy that bringing these barracuda for me named Clive. I like to big up Clive. He's that guy that get my lobster and stuff from too. Lobster, redfish, fresh fish. As long as you go in the sea, you call me, Bodow, I go in the sea this morning. What you want to get? I say, alright, you put nothing there. Wherever it is, it is. It doesn't really want to give a good time more than any fish broth. You just take off the head. Fish broth head, you know? Like barra head. How the fish is, we just want to normally just give horn man slice or long slice or wrong slices. But in this case here, we give you long slices. It's a fish that have one center bone. Now you have to study what picker and fine bone to see, well, you know. Hey, this fish have plenty bone, down center bone. I have some kids in the car. The kids don't like plenty fish, plenty picker. This is a fish that have less picker in it. Let's study what picker and bone. It's a very, very nice fish, fleshy, very sweet. I run these slanters kind of slant. They call it horn man slice. As I said, the bones will be a hard bone in this fish. They have the tongue kind of hardish. They ain't gonna mash up the flesh. Yeah? Make sure you get him to the bone and wedge him. See how nice the meat is? Some other fish man do it more faster than me, but I'm gonna take my time to do my thing right. See? Nice, lovely slices. Yeah. Not only clean cut, the whole fish. You see how clean the meat is inside? The meat like you could see through it. Fresh, nice fish. We just feel the butter, the tail like this. Alright? You get the soaking inside. That is a box by itself. Nice fresh barra. I say about the blood, but this is how it does be. With their blood, eat their fresh. I will send this barra inside to wash, to prep, to get to go with my roast breadfruit. Alright, the man love this one here. Show you salt ready for me. Yeah, we're doing a barracuda, the one that I just cleaned it just now with the big bone, big teeth. This is the big teeth barracuda. put all the carrots on it. Fresh pick okras. Take your time, lace off the okra, real nice and nice. So I use the okra to get a little more slime in the fish too. Okay, you know okra good for the boy. Yeah, okra, I like to, you know, in Dr. Chatagun, always priming up before you climb up. When this process is done here, we wrap it. As I say in another way that we just wrap it with the foil. The fish don't touch the foil, but we just use it. Where's the fish on it? As I say again, we invent it. The rest just rent it. Don't know how we just do it and why we just do it like that. Right? As I say again, this technique what we do is in here is a trap. The steam. So you're going to roast some on it and steam to the top. Yeah? So you're going to pour up this barracuda on the grill there by the time. Yeah? You're going to pour up this one, give me about 5-10 minutes and you're going to see what it'll be like when we finish. I have an order for this barracuda here. Okay. As I say, this is a tower. We use the roti that pre-bust up shot. We like to swell up the roti on the tower. So we're using the tower trying to keep the tradition, and the fish must be swell like a dal pre-bust at the same time. The fish must swell. So you roast into the bottom, steam to the top. As the fire keep going down, you keep chucking back up all more pieces of wood, little pieces of wood to make sure the fire keep the heat in it. That's the purpose we are using big chunk of wood like these. You understand? Put two little small pieces of wood in there again just to keep the heat up. And this fire again, non-stop. As the fire going down, just keep winding and walk up. As I say again, is that some customers would like to come. I want to know, roast fish, yes, we are the roast fish. You can get the roast fish, normal roast fish, or you can get a pepper roast fish, like you can get a pepper shrimp. So how we do the pepper roast fish, we do it like this. Now this sauce is a tamarind sauce, basically a hot tamarind sauce. So I'm going to put it into the fish here now. Right? And I'll cover back this fish here for a few minutes. Let that sauce just marinate inside it for a while. Right? But this barra here is finished. I'm going to box this barra. Pepper him back down again here. Give him a few minutes again and I'll take him down. A little more saucy than all the rest. It's so nice and saucy it is here. This is mashed potato we're going to put first. I yam boil nice, I ain't gonna lie. Nice yam. Basically, it doesn't really see the fish when we're done with it. The fish will be going back. All the provisions, mostly the rest on the side of it. You're gonna rest some plantain now. The reason why that we use cricks in the box that when fishermen come from the sea long time, fishermen has to wait on a vendor. So why is this to wait on the vendor? They pull a sheet of galvanized and the bucket they always have cricks in their bucket. Fishermen always go in the sea with a bucket with cricks in it. When they come from the sea, they roast their fish with cricks. And then lime and salt from the neighbor, and now fishermen roast their fish when they come from the sea. You see the pepper fish, we do with the little bit of pepper sauce and the breadfruit and whatnot and stuff. And this is the barracuda here on this side here, without no pepper. For kids and whatnot, without no pepper, with one center bone, when you have to study what pick or what's up.